acquire English. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use some idioms with no. To know one's stuff means to have a very good knowledge of something. Sandra's presentation today was great. She really knows her stuff. Mark knows his stuff when it comes to math. To know something inside and out means to understand every detail of something. Our tour guide was great. She knew the city inside and out. Coach Williams has been coaching for over 30 years. He knows the game inside and out. To be dying to know means to really want to know something. Sean is dying to know the score of the football match. I'm dying to know the results of my tests. To know better than to do something means someone should be experienced or wise enough to know not to do something. You know better than to play soccer in the house. We all know better than to use our phones in bed, but we still do it. Practice in the comments. Try making a sentence using one of the idioms with no below.